Welcome to NED. This tutorial demonstrates the gravitational wave follow-up service of the NASA IPAC Extragalactic Database. We'll give a brief overview of the service, demonstrate how to navigate the website, and download the products generated by this service. NED-GWF has two pages, an overview and an events page. To access the overview page, hover your mouse over the Services tab in the NED homepage, move to the Gravitational Wave Follow-Up, and then to Overview and click. The Overview page provides background and motivation for this service. In short, it has been shown that electromagnetic counterparts to gravitational waves can be found via galaxy-targeted searches inside the LIGO-Virgo sky localization volumes. Consequently, this service exploits the rich and constantly growing content of NED to help astronomers around the world search for these counterparts by providing lists of potential host galaxy candidates. NED-GWF listens continuously to an alert stream used by the LIGO-Virgo collaboration and under normal circumstances produces galaxy lists within minutes of receiving a VO event. To access the events page, you can click on the most recent event button on the overview page here, or you can start from the NED homepage, hover your mouse over the Services tab, then move to Gravitational Wave Follow-Up, and then to Events and click. The event page provides information and links to downloadable galaxy lists for gravitational wave events. Near the top of the page, there is a drop-down menu where you can select from a number of events and their available sky localization versions, where larger numbers represent more recent versions. Scrolling down, the first table lists the basic event information, such as the event name, timestamp, the mean distance, which instruments detected the signal, and the highest probability classification, and more. Continuing to scroll down, you will see an all-sky map with the LIGO-Virgo localization along with the galaxies found in the 90% probability volume of the event. This plot provides basic visualizations of the event location and candidate host galaxies for observational follow-up purposes. Scrolling down further, we come to three download buttons which provide access to the entire candidate galaxy list with three format options: a FITS table, an IPAC table, this is a plain text file where the data are delimited by vertical bars, and a CSV plain text file. Below these buttons is information on cross-matching results, including the total number of galaxies in the 90% volume and the timestamp of the cross-match completion. Finally, at the bottom of the page, you will find a table of the top 20 galaxies and their basic properties: name, position, distance, apparent and absolute brightness if available, and the probability density. This list is sorted by 2-mass absolute K-band magnitude, which is a proxy for the stellar mass of the galaxy. It is currently thought that more massive galaxies are more likely to host events that give rise to an EM counterpart. More specifically, a binary neutron star or neutron star black hole merger event. Now that we have a basic understanding of the service, let's mention two important caveats. The first is that NED-GWF only cross-matches to galaxies within 1 gigaparsec due to the sensitivity of current and planned gravitational wave detectors. The vast majority of events with distances beyond this limit will be binary black hole mergers that are not likely to give rise to EM counterparts. These larger distance events are not fully processed by the system and will only have their basic information and sky localizations displayed. No galaxy lists are generated. The second caveat is that gravitational wave events can be retracted by the LIGO-Virgo collaboration at any time. As a result, this service will flag retractions for an event and propagate a retraction warning for all the current and previous versions of the event. Scroll to the top of the Events page and find a retracted event. Note that a retracted label is added to the event name in the list. When clicking through all versions of a retracted event, you will find a large red warning in all versions. We hope you found this brief tutorial helpful. Please check the NED website for other videos and information, and feel free to send us comments by clicking the Connect with NED icon in the footer of the NED web pages.